Ever wondered what GitOps is and why it's becoming so popular? Well, let's dive right into it. GitOps is a cutting-edge methodology for managing and delivering applications and infrastructure. It's all about using Git, the well-known version control system, as a single source of truth. Wondering what that means? It's simple. Every aspect of your system, every line of code, configuration, and infrastructure setup is declared and versioned within Git. This provides a comprehensive and auditable history of all changes. But why is this important? In the rapidly evolving world of software development, GitOps offers a streamlined, efficient approach to continuous integration and deployment. It allows teams to manage large and complex systems with ease and precision. In a nutshell, GitOps is about making Git the heartbeat of your operational and development environment. It's the conductor orchestrating the symphony of your software lifecycle. So, GitOps is essentially about making Git the heartbeat of your operational and development environment. Now let's dive into the main components of GitOps. At its core, GitOps revolves around two key components. The first is the Git repository. This serves as the single source of truth. It's where all the code, configurations, and even infrastructure are stored. This means everything that defines your system lives in a version-controlled, auditable, and revertible place. The second component is the automation and orchestration tool. This tool's job is to ensure that the actual state of your system matches the desired state defined in your Git repository. It's like having an intelligent robot that's constantly checking and adjusting your system to keep it in line with what's defined in the Git repository. Additionally, GitOps heavily relies on pull requests. They're a key part of the workflow, enabling peer review and maintaining a record of changes. These components work together to ensure a smooth, efficient, and error-free operation. So why is GitOps gaining so much traction? It's all about the benefits. One of the most significant advantages of GitOps is the boost in productivity. By automating deployments, teams can focus more on creating excellent code, rather than the logistics of getting that code into production. Then there's improved accuracy. GitOps reduces human error by using pull requests to manage updates and changes. This approach provides an automatic audit trail of modifications, which can be invaluable in troubleshooting. Next up, simplified management. GitOps brings together your development and operations teams, streamlining processes and fostering collaboration. It's all about breaking down silos and creating a unified, efficient workflow. And let's not forget about enhanced security. With GitOps, all changes are transparent and traceable, promoting a high level of accountability. Lastly, GitOps naturally encourages best practices such as infrastructure as code and continuous deployment, pushing your team to embrace modern, efficient methods. Clearly, GitOps can be a game changer in managing and delivering applications and infrastructure. Let's wrap up by summarizing the key points about GitOps. GitOps is an operational framework that takes DevOps to its logical conclusion. It leverages Git's power as the single source of truth, allowing developers to use the same tools to manage infrastructure as they do for source control. The main components of GitOps include the Git repository, the deployment pipeline, and the Kubernetes cluster. The Git repository hosts the declarative descriptions of the desired state of the system. The deployment pipeline enforces the synchronization between the repository and the actual state, while the Kubernetes cluster runs the applications. The benefits of GitOps are numerous. It increases productivity, enhances transparency, and improves the reliability of applications. It offers the potential to streamline your development processes, improve team collaboration, and accelerate deployment times. We encourage you to explore GitOps further and consider its potential advantages for your specific needs. Remember, GitOps is not just a trend, it's a powerful approach that can revolutionize your software development and operational processes. It's time to make Git the heartbeat of your environment.